Hello mga Mare, welcome back to my channel. This is Marcel Dumala. Dahil meron ditong Navy at Vivo, so nagtiyaga kami pumila dyan. Grabing pila namin dyan, almost 2 hours. Pero worth it siya guys, ang ganda at ang experience. Sulit din ang pila mo na kahaba-haba kasi mababait din yung mga staff nila.
There's a lot of things to see. Take your time.
Lucky we go here.
Go here, yes, correct.
Even it's very long, the line.
Yeah, it's very long, but it's worth
We
it.
didn't pick the ticket.
No, you had to wait.
Oh,
You had to wait, no tickets.
yeah.
Good. Alright.
2 hours waiting.
Yes, 2 hours. Well, it's worth it.
Yeah.
Now you have aircon.
Thank you. Aircon na siya dyan. Okay na ako dito, Luyok. Kaya murag siksikan naman sa amin. Timing talaga ng weekend is marami talagang tao. So, ayan, siksikan na naman kami dyan. Walang katapusang pila hanggang makalabas ka. Pero enjoy naman siya. Yung pa mo. Iyaling kami sa taas. Bababa kami, guys. So, step by step. So, ito yung loob. Pasok pa. Ayun. Ayun pa. Oh, wow. Hello.
But I see boat, right?
Contact para sa boat. Ah, okay. So, dito kami sasakay. Nila. Tapos, manood muna kami dito paano ilagay.
Oh my God.
Do you want to have some fun later?
Yes.
You want to get your food?
Yes.
Who want rock and roll? Who want cloudy? Okay. Later when you all hear this puzzle, what should you do? Inside there's a white room, right? Yeah. Grab hold on it if you're coming as well. Center. Okay. In the front. On the deck.
So guys, hindi ko nalagyan ng music, baka maka-copyright naman ako dito. So ayan na nga, nag-video na, tapos makikita mo ang view, ang gaganda guys. So enjoy na enjoy kami dyan. Nangaumod pa mi diha.
But it will be fun later, don't worry. It will be fun later, huh? Correct?
Correct.
Busog yet. Yeah, you have to
Woo! My God, sakit ang tuhod ko. Murag na sama na ko to. Ako gani, na kuanan ko sa ano. Dahil yun sa barko kasi. Party!
We open from 9 to 9 p.m. Okay, I cannot say maybe. Until tomorrow. Okay, okay, on board ISS vessel. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you all have fun.
Thank you.
If you Atas okay ha?
All
Pati
okay.
okay.
So, ayun na nga guys, nangatumba mi kay naay ni aging barko kusog kaayo dayon. Dayon ning alon siya. So, abi na mo hinay. Pero dakong balod siya guys, so nangatumba mi.
I hope you had fun. Do you have fun or not?
Yes!
Oh, good ha?
All good!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, can I have a chill later? Can when you go inside? Can or not? When I shout Navy, your shout Vivo. Can or not?
Can!
Loud and clear, can or not?
Can!
Do it for us, can or not?
Can!
Let's do it.
Yes!
Okay? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, ready. Yeah, pass me one cold water, please.
So dito guys, babalik na naman kami sa loob dahil iikutin na naman namin. So yung nakikita sa picture dyan kami pupunta at makikita na. So hindi ko na videohan yung cafeteria nila dahil akala ko is video is picture pala. Ayun. So ayan yung kusina nila na videohan ko. So ayan, tuloy-tuloy kami dyan sa loob at nag-tour. So sobrang init guys. Buti dala ko yung fan ko na mali. Pero yung iba nangihina na talaga. Pero meron sila dyan na medical na may nakaabang dyan na kung mahihilo. Ikutin ang buong mga Navy ship. So, sobrang init. Ikot na naman kami. Papasok na naman kami sa loob. Magdataab. Asa na po ni Paingon? Uy. Oh la la. Nyara mag-video sa ako. Nyara yun. Tapos pila, tataas. Ouch. Pa. Animal ang laki. Oh my godness. Dito na naman kami manggulo. Ang init ng panahon guys. Pero dito na po walang gani. Ang init ng panahon guys pero ano sila dito, may libreng tayong pahiram. Hilingi pag yun tayo ba? Thank you!